Okay, now let's go over to Michael. Michael, you got to tell us a lot about the first alert forecast because some of us are already planning for the weekend, but first we got to get through the week.
Yeah, that's right. We have to get through the week. It's only Monday, and it's going to be another hot week here across DFW with temperatures into those middle to upper 90s, feeling like the triple digits. Looking outside this morning, waking up to a lot of clouds, so overall kind of a cloudy and gloomy start. It's another warm start to our morning. Temperatures are into the 70s and 80s area-wide. We are waking up to 80 in Fort Worth, 82 in Dallas, 79 in Waxahachie, 81 in McKinney, 79 right now in Bridgeport. What you'll notice for this morning and throughout the day, it's another windy day. We're seeing gusts right now anywhere from 25 to as much as 35 miles per hour, actually 36 mile per hour wind speeds right now into Waxahachie, 31 mile per hour gusts right now into Fort Worth, and we're still seeing them even in areas out to the west, over 25 miles per hour in Breckenridge as well as into Rangers. So another windy day going to be in the forecast today, hour by hour in terms of those wind gusts. Notice we'll see them gust up to about 35 miles per hour at times. This morning, I've already seen wind gusts over 40 miles per hour at the DFW airport. So just be prepared for the wind as it moves throughout the day for today. Not really much of a change compared to what we saw outside on your Sunday. We also see some Saharan dust building in off the coast of Africa. It's made its way into the Gulf. So what you'll notice, some brighter sunrises and sunsets, and you may see reduced air quality at times for those who are in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category. Otherwise, throughout your Monday and Tuesday, we will still continue to stay hot and humid area wide, and we have no rain into the forecast for the work week. It's another hot and dry work week, and I really don't see any major rain chances for about the next 14 days. At best, we have a 30% chance for some isolated storms to develop as we look ahead into Sunday. So let's talk about your high temperatures throughout the week. This will be the main story, as we here in Texas know it only gets hotter as we move ahead into July and into August. Throughout the day for today, we're into those upper 90s, Tuesday and Wednesday, middle to upper 90s as well. Our feels like temperatures right around 100 to 102 degrees, and not really much of a change. In fact, I think by the end of the work week, temperatures get a little bit hotter as our humidity during the afternoons will drop a few degrees. So I think our dew points go from the 70s to the middle 60s. As a result of that, with drier air, it allows for temperatures to heat up a little bit more. Your first alert 7-day forecast, we're hot and dry throughout the work week. 10% chance of a shower or two for July 4th, 100 degrees, 99 by Sunday.